I want to show you our factory. See this building? This is our working office. There are 2 layers. And then look at our factory. There are 2 workshops. One is laser machine workshop and another is our CNC router workshop. First, look at our laser machine workshop. This is one of our customers' machines. See this production order? When we place the production order, we will put this paper on this machine. And we also have wire cutting machine and a fiber cutting machine. Then we will go to the CNC router workshop. See, this is our CNC router workshop. This is the whole environment of our working and our workshop. Hope you could look at it and have a nice day. Bye.